Questions in the education era, and this one says 486 teachers have migrated this year from Jamaica, double the amount from the same time last year. What strategies, measures will be implemented to ensure retention?
Yeah, I mean, I can't vouch for those numbers, but the reality is that our teachers are being lured, encouraged to migrate. UK and other countries, US as well, I believe, provide opportunities for teachers because there's a shortage here, and obviously they're offering a better package. So we have to be, I think, quite aggressive in designing a response to that. Senator Damian Crawford, who is our spokesperson for education, has a number of ideas about this, including things like giving a motor vehicle concession that gets more valuable the longer you stay, debt write-offs for student loans for teachers who stay in the system, prioritizing them in the allocation of houses that are developed by the National Housing Trust, and various other things. You know, improving the teaching, the teachers' room, the room where teachers congregate at school, you know, to make it as comfortable and for them and so on. So just generally trying to, and also their salaries need to be adjusted. One of the tragedies, I think, of this recent public sector wage transformation, which has doubled the public sector wage bill, but you know, it's increased by $200 billion. But one of the challenges of it is that, you know, the persons in the middle, the rank and file, teachers, nurses, and police officers, really didn't do very well out of it. They got a 20% increase over 3 years, when inflation, as we all know, has been raging. So it hasn't really, I think, worked for them. The persons at the top have done extremely well, and of course, the Prime Minister and the ministers, they did, you know, 200 to 300%, me included, by the way, because. But I mean, I told them that to my mind, it was unconscionable to be awarding the political leaders of the country such a huge increase when the public servants, who were really the ones who were bearing the low salaries in the public sector, and you know, they got such modest increases, and I didn't. You know, so I was very upset with the way that was done, and I think most Jamaicans were very upset about it. And I think that's one of the reasons why, you know, this transformation has just not had the kind of impact that it could have, because you know, people just didn't relate to the way in which it was done.
Yeah. Thank you.